Hello, I'm so excited. I've got the first Birds Oracle deck here. I'm getting the second one delivered today. I absolutely love the first one, so I'm super excited to get the second one, but I just thought I would do a quick showing of the first one for anyone who's interested. I haven't seen too many videos on it, so I just thought I'd show you guys. It's beautiful. It's from Golden Blue out of Toronto. This isn't in order, but it's a beautiful oracle deck with birds, obviously. A beautiful guidebook it comes with, super detailed. And the cards are absolutely beautiful. Like, the artwork is so nice. A loon, my personal favorite. The swans as well. I probably won't go through every card here, but I just wanted to sort of give you guys an idea of what it looks like. Now the backs of the second one, I believe, are going to be a light colored, so they're sort of like the opposite, the matching but opposite. They're super smooth. There's 44 in this deck and 44 in the next, and there's also a box you can get that will hold both of them, because this tuck box obviously just holds the first one. But they're super nice. I absolutely love them. I don't like oracle decks. I don't have any other oracle decks. This is the only one I have. I don't even really particularly love birds, but I love these birds. They're super smooth cards. They shuffle so nice. When I get the second one today, I will be sure to do a walkthrough and unboxing of that as well. Let's just draw one and see what we get, just so you can get an idea. Alright, let's see. 11. So up in here. Choose your time to shine. So the book gives you kind of about the bird, the meaning of the card, and then it has what she calls an ask, just kind of ways to meditate on the card, questions to think about. So I really like it. You can use it. I've used it in combination with tarot cards, but also just like on its own as sort of something to think about for your day or your week or whatever. Super beautiful cards. Super beautiful artwork. Gorgeous. And I wish you could feel them. They feel so nice. All right, can't wait to get the second one. I'll be back to show you guys that one later. Bye for now.